Xiaomi has confirmed that it will be holding its next big global launch event on the 24th of this month in Madrid, Spain. Ahead of the launch event, Xiaomi's second Android One smartphone, the Mi A2 has been listed on a Polish e-commerce website, along with the Mi A2 Lite. Based on the images and specifications listed on the website, it appears the Mi A2 Lite will be the Android One version of the Redmi 6 Pro, which was launched in China recently.
Mi A2 Lite looks identical to the Redmi 6 Pro from the outside. Not just the design, the listing confirms the Mi A2 Lite will be identical to the Redmi 6 Pro in terms of physical dimensions as well as hardware specifications. The only difference will be in the software. While the Redmi 6 Pro runs on Android 8.1 Oreo-based MIUI 9.5 out of the box, the Mi A2 Lite will be an Android One smartphone running on stock Android 8.1 Oreo operating system. The Mi A2 Lite will feature a 5.84-inch IPS LCD display with 1080 by 2280 Full HD Plus resolution and a 19:9 aspect ratio. Under the hood, the Mi A2 Lite will run on an octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 625 chipset clocked at 2.0 GHz with an Adreno 506 GPU. The variant listed on the Polish website includes 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of onboard storage. On the back of the handset will be a 12MP plus 5MP dual camera setup with AI-powered features like AI scene detection and AI portrait mode. For selfies and video calls, the smartphone features a 5MP unit on the front. Connectivity features include Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS with a GPS, GLONASS, BAID, and 4G LTE. Keeping the lights on will be a 4000 mAh capacity battery.